So, after immunoglobulins, we'll continue with the topic of multiple myeloma. Multiple myeloma is a cancer of plasma cells. Plasma cells are derived from B lymphocytes. Their normal function is to produce antibodies, immunoglobulins. In this disease, plasma cells become abnormal, malignant, and grow uncontrollably. What goes wrong? Abnormal plasma cells produce large amount of one type of antibody called monoclonal protein, M protein. Do not function properly, accumulate in bone marrow, and too many abnormal plasma cells makes useless proteins. Normally what happens? Different plasma cells leads to different antibodies, polyclonal. In multiple myeloma, one clone of cells will leads to one type of antibody formation, monoclonal antibody. This is called monoclonal gammopathy basically. M protein. The abnormal protein produced is immunoglobulin, IgG most common, sometimes IgA, or only light chains called Bence-Jones proteins. Basically, a malignancy of plasma cells causing excess monoclonal immunoglobulin M protein. Biochemical basis: uncontrolled proliferation of plasma cells, production of abnormal immunoglobulins, usually IgG or IgA, excess light chains, Bence-Jones proteins in urine. Lab findings: M spike on serum protein electrophoresis, increased gamma globulin fraction, Bence-Jones proteins in urine, hypercalcemia. Clinical features: bone pain, lytic lesions, anemia, renal failure. Abnormal antibodies causes ineffective immunity, bone destruction which causes calcium release from the bones, kidney damage occurs, and light chain deposition occurs. What are basically Bence-Jones proteins? These are free light chains of antibodies. They are small and pass into the urine. So found in the urine, and this is the important diagnostic feature of multiple myeloma. Mutation in the plasma cells, clonal proliferation occurs, same cells multiply, excess production of M protein, accumulation in the bone marrow, and suppression of the normal cells. What are effects on the body? Plasma cells release factors that activate osteoclasts, which leads to bone resorption, and that results in bone pain, fractures, hypercalcemia. In kidney damage occurs, Bence-Jones protein deposits in the kidney, that results in the renal failure. Anemia, bone marrow is crowded and less RBCs are produced, which leads to anemia. Increased blood viscosity due to excess proteins. Clinical features: if we see clinical features, hypercalcemia, renal failure, anemia, and bone lesions. Diagnosis: we have already discussed. Serum protein electrophoresis shows M spike, monoclonal peak. Urine test, bone marrow biopsy, increased plasma cells, Bence-Jones proteins in urine. It involves basically abnormal protein production, important for understanding immunoglobulins related to plasma protein disorders. Interpretation: monoclonal spike, multiple myeloma, Bence-Jones proteins, light chain disease, high IgG or IgA plasma cell disorder, recurrent infections, defective antibodies. IgG crosses placenta, IgM is the first antibody, IgA mucosal immunity cause करती है, IgE allergic response, plasma cells antibody factories होती हैं, cytokines regulate करते हैं immune response को. We'll discuss this. Multiple myeloma में M protein and Bence-Jones proteins are deposited basically. So what are cytokines? Cytokines are cell signaling proteins regulating immunity and inflammation. Interleukins, communication between leukocytes. Example: IL-1 causes fever or inflammation. IL-2, T cell proliferation. Tumor necrosis factors. These are basically cell signaling proteins, and these proteins regulate immunity and inflammation. How? These are the examples. Interleukins. Number 2 is tumor necrosis factor. Major mediator of inflammation. It causes fever, it causes apoptosis and septic shock. Interferons. These are antiviral proteins, inhibit viral replication in the body. Platelet derived growth factor. This stimulates cell growth and repair, and this is important in wound healing as well. Platelet activating factor. This mediates inflammation, platelet aggregation and bronchoconstriction. So this is all about protein, multiple myeloma, immunoglobulins and cytokines.